Jonkonnu, Jamaica's wildest street party. Picture this. It's Christmas time in Jamaica. The air is filled with the scent of delicious food, the sound of laughter, and the sight of twinkling lights. But there's something even more special happening. The sun is shining, the rum is flowing, and the streets are alive with music, dancing, and giant masked figures. Yes, you heard that right. These aren't just any masks. They're part of a tradition that dates back centuries. Nope, it's not a scene from Black Panther. These masks and costumes are part of Jonkonnu, a celebration that blends African, European, and Caribbean cultures into one spectacular event. It's Jonkonnu, Jamaica's answer to Mardi Gras, Carnival, and Halloween, all rolled into one. Imagine the energy of Mardi Gras, the vibrancy of Carnival, and the spookiness of Halloween, all in one place. Get ready for a wild ride as we dive into the colorful, chaotic, and totally unforgettable world of Jonkonnu. This is a celebration that takes over the streets and the hearts of everyone who experiences it. This ain't your grandma's tea party, folks. This is a full-blown, high-energy, can't-miss event that will leave you breathless and wanting more. We're talking elaborate costumes, infectious rhythms, and enough energy to power a small island. Well, maybe not quite, but you get the idea. The music is so infectious you'll find yourself dancing along without even realizing it. So buckle up and get ready to experience the magic and mayhem that is Jonkonnu. It's a celebration like no other, and it's waiting for you to join in the fun. Don't miss out on this incredible experience. Okay, so what exactly Jonkonnu? Imagine a street parade on steroids, fueled by rum punch and good vibes. It's a celebration of life, freedom, and all things Jamaican. We're talking music, dancing, colorful costumes, and a whole lot of fun. Think of it as a big, beautiful, slightly chaotic family reunion with masks. But Jonkonnu is more than just a party. It's a powerful expression of Jamaican culture, a way to preserve traditions, and a reminder of the island's rich history. Jonkonnu didn't just magically appear in Jamaica one day, although that would be pretty cool. Its roots go deep, all the way back to Africa. Back in the days of slavery, enslaved Africans brought their traditions and rituals with them to the Caribbean. Jonkonnu emerged as a way for them to hold on to their heritage, to celebrate, and to find moments of joy in the face of oppression. Over time, Jonkonnu evolved, blending African traditions with European influences. It became a uniquely Jamaican celebration, a testament to the island's resilience and creativity. Section 4. Costumes, Music, and Moves. Get ready to party. Now let's talk about the fun stuff, the costumes, the music, and the moves. Jonkonnu is a festival like no other, filled with vibrant energy and cultural richness. Jonkonnu costumes are a sight to behold. Think giant headdresses, colorful masks, and intricate designs that tell a story of their own. These costumes are not just clothes. They are works of art with layers upon layers of fabric meticulously put together. It's like a fashion explosion. Jamaican style, the colors, the textures, everything is designed to catch your eye and leave you in awe. The music is just as vibrant, a pulsating mix that gets your heart racing. It's a blend of traditional African rhythms and European instruments, creating a unique soundscape. You'll hear drums, fifes, and other instruments that come together in perfect harmony. And yes, even the occasional banjo makes an appearance, adding a unique twist to the musical ensemble. All these elements come together to create an irresistible beat that will have you moving your feet in no time. And the dancing? Let's just say it's not for the faint of heart. The moves are intense, energetic, and full of life, capturing the very essence of Jonkonnu. Section 5. Meet the crew. Jonkonnu's all-star cast. No Jonkonnu celebration would be complete without its cast of colorful characters. There's the king and queen, of course, always dressed to impress. Then there's the devil, a mischievous trickster who's always up to no good, but in a fun way, of course. And let's not forget about the Pitchy Patchy, a character covered in patches of different fabrics, symbolizing the ingenuity and resourcefulness of the Jamaican people. Each character has its own unique story to tell, adding another layer of depth and meaning to the celebration. Section 6. Jonkonnu Today. Still kicking and relevant. So is Jonkonnu just a relic of the past? Not a chance. This vibrant tradition has stood the test of time and continues to be a significant part of Jamaican culture. While it might not be as widespread as it once was, Jonkonnu is still very much alive and kicking in Jamaica. The spirit of Jonkonnu thrives in the hearts of the people, young and old alike. You'll find it at Christmas time, of course, when the streets come alive with the sounds and sights of Jonkonnu, but also at other festivals and celebrations throughout the year. From community gatherings to national events, Jonkonnu is a staple of Jamaican festivities. Jonkonnu is a reminder of Jamaica's strength, its creativity, and its rich cultural heritage. The elaborate costumes and energetic dances tell stories of resilience and joy, and its ability to find joy even in the face of adversity. The smiles and laughter during Jonkonnu celebrations are a testament to the enduring spirit of the Jamaican people. It's a tradition worth preserving, a celebration worth experiencing, and a cultural treasure that brings people together, and a whole lot of fun to boot. Whether you're a participant or a spectator, Jonkonnu offers a unique and joyous experience that captures the essence of Jamaica. Section 7. Jonkonnu, a celebration of life, laughter, and Jamaican spirit. So there you have it, a glimpse into the wild, wonderful world of Jonkonnu. It's a celebration of life, a testament to history, and a whole lot of fun. The next time you're in Jamaica, be sure to keep an ear out for the beat of the drums and the sound of laughter. It might just be a Jonkonnu parade, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Until then, walk good.
Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of